Julia Henderson Argyris from the Adrian High School class of 1958 is a multi-talented woman who has devoted her life to enriching her community. Her philanthropic and community involvement ideals began at Lincoln Elementary when Julia and her friend Julie Clement Britton joined the Bluebirds and Campfire Girls. In high school, she honed her leadership skills through various clubs and activities. Julia also fell in love with the theater at a young age. She loved performing beside her mom, putting on puppet shows for the neighborhood kids, being on stage in high school plays, narrating the pool shows, acting in variety shows, and excelling in forensics. Next, she was off to college where she received a BA in speech therapy with an elementary education credential from Cal State Long Beach. Here she also met her husband, George Argyris, and together they are passionate philanthropists for healthcare, education, neglected children, and the arts. Currently living in Newport Beach, California, Julie is president of the Argyris Family Foundation, trustee for South Coast Repertory Theater, on the board of directors for Surgistrom Center for the Arts, President's Cabinet for Chapman University, board member of the Public Broadcasting Station of Southern California, and former director for the National Film Preservation Foundation. In service to her country, Julia served in an ambassadorial role when George was appointed in 2001 as the U.S. Ambassador to the Kingdom of Spain and the Principality of Andorra. She has been honored for her many contributions to the community, including Philanthropist of the Year for Surgistrom Center for the Arts, the Hart Award for the City of Costa Mesa, the Leukemia Society of America, and the Orange County Council of Boy Scouts of America. Julia has not forgotten her hometown, and through the Argyris Foundation generously supports the Croswell Opera House and the Adrian Schools Educational Foundation Fine Arts Endowment Fund that greatly expands the fine arts experiences for Adrian Public Schools students. Multi-talented for sure, Julia loves to participate in theater productions, ballroom dancing, upland bird shooting, and is a licensed fly fishing guide. George and Julia have 3 children and 7 grandchildren. Congratulations, Julia.